Welcome the our channel. Today we how to transfer content with Medium step by step clearly. To begin transferring content on Medium, start by logging into your Medium account. Navigate to the story you wish to transfer. On the top right corner, click on the three dots icon for more options. Select the export option from the drop-down menu. Medium will prepare your story for download. Once ready, a zip file will be downloaded to your device. Locate the zip file in your Downloads folder. Extract the contents of the zip file to view your articles. Open the HTML or Markdown files to see the raw content. If transferring to another platform, check the platform's content upload guidelines. Copy the text from the extracted files. Log into your new platform where you want to transfer your content. Create a new post or article. Paste the copied text into the new post editor. Adjust the formatting as necessary to suit the new platform. Add any images or media that were included in the original story. Review the post for any discrepancies before publishing. Finally, publish your transferred content on the new platform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security, and after signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.